Welcome to Academic Gain Tutorials. In this video, we will discuss about dividend portfolio management with the 80-20th rule. To begin with, the 80-20 rule means that a small number of actions often create most of the results. In dividend portfolio management, this idea can help investors focus on the few high-impact decisions that drive most long-term income and wealth growth. First, define your main goal clearly. For example, you may want dividend income, long-term growth, or a balanced combination of both. At the same time, your plan should match your risk tolerance, time horizon, and personal financial priorities. Next, identify the vital 20%. In other words, focus on the few holdings, sectors, or decisions that contribute the most to your dividend results. Rather than trying to track too many ideas, simplify your watch list and prioritize quality over quantity. After that, choose quality dividend stocks carefully. Review earnings, free cash flow, payout ratio, and balance sheet strength. Likewise, prefer companies with reliable dividend histories and avoid weak or speculative businesses that may create more risk than value. Then, build a focused portfolio. Instead of over-diversifying into too many tiny positions, keep a manageable number of holdings and concentrate on your highest conviction ideas. However, this should still be balanced with proper diversification and risk control. In addition, use the 80-20 rule in monitoring your portfolio. Track the few key metrics that matter most, such as dividend yield, payout ratio, debt levels, and cash flow. Also, review your top positions first, because they usually have the biggest impact on your total results. Furthermore, allocate capital efficiently. Add more capital to high-quality opportunities, avoid spreading money too thinly, and reinvest where the impact is greatest. As a result, your portfolio stays more productive and easier to manage. At the same time, cut low-value complexity. Reduce weak, tiny, or redundant positions that no longer fit your strategy. This not only simplifies your portfolio, but also makes reviews and decision-making much easier. Finally, review and rebalance regularly. Reassess income, risk, and position sizes, and rebalance if one holding becomes too large. In the same way, update your goals when life circumstances change and remain disciplined for long-term results. Overall, the 80-20 rule in dividend portfolio management helps investors focus smartly, manage risk, grow income, and build wealth by concentrating on what matters most. On the other hand, common mistakes include owning too many tiny positions, chasing yield without quality, overtrading, ignoring concentration risk, and spending too much time on low-impact tasks. In conclusion, the 80-20 rule can make dividend investing simpler, clearer, and more effective. By focusing on a small number of high-quality decisions, investors can improve long-term income and wealth results while reducing unnecessary complexity. This video is for educational purposes only and is not financial advice. If this short video was helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.